Once upon a time, in a multi-threaded world, one thread, High Sparrow, has finally found a job. At his new job, he was assigned some work to do. To execute the work, he needed just one cash line. But wait, what's happening? What's happening to his cash line? Why can't he seem to keep the cash line to himself? It turns out, just like him, someone else is trying to use their own cash line. But why were both of them given the same cash line? That's because of an evil villain. False sharing. We present Huron, which destroys false sharing. To know how? Find out at 9:30 a.m. on June 25th from 2 to 8 a.m.